Ready to ditch tedious editing and unleash the power of artificial intelligence in Photoshop? We're constantly seeing image enhancements, and today, we are going to dive deep within Photoshop's AI capabilities to boost your efficiency. The first key feature is Adobe Sensei. Photoshop's behind-the-scenes AI engine. The Auto Enhance feature is great for quick fixes. Go to the Filters panel and click Neural Filters. In the Neural Filters panel, select Photo Enhancement. Click on Photo Enhance to enhance the image. Experiment with the sliders to finely tune the effect. This is great for correcting lighting, color and overall image quality with just a few clicks. Now, let's look at object selection. Often you also want the flexibility to adjust parts of the image without affecting the others. Photoshop makes this remarkably easy. Select the Object Selection tool from the toolbar, and then click on the subject inside the image. AI automatically identifies and selects the primary subject. Now, with the subject selected, you can apply any adjustment layers or filters to that portion without affecting the rest of the image. This significantly speeds up complex edits. Photoshop's AI is powerful, efficient, and fun. Its features can dramatically streamline your workflow. Try these AI tools on your own images. Remember to experiment so that the results can suit your artistic projects and visions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips.